Alright guys, now for the blabbing part. You saw what I did, and I have a ton of hooks that I need to make, and I wanted them to be very similar. So I need these quickly. I didn't have the opportunity to Google this and see if I could buy this Hardy, a Mandrel, whatever you want to call it. So I had this epiphany. 3 sockets, 1 inch, 13/16, and 5/8. So I have 3 options for the hook size. A 3/8 bolt, 5 inch long. And you saw I didn't have any 1 inch stock lying around, so I cut this piece off of, when I lived in Arizona, I was really into gold mining, and I had that pick hammer. Probably never going to use it again. So I cut the end of that off, the hammer side. I threw it in the forge, got it nice and hot so that it could anneal, so that it would hold a weld. Let it cool in the air. Welded that nut onto it, as you saw. And for little things like that, you know, magnets and all may work, but I found that C8 glue, it's basically a super glue, will hold it in place more than adequately so that you can get the weld started without it bouncing around and make you real mad. These washers, you don't really need these if you have the correct length bolt, but it was a lot easier and faster than cutting this bolt down to the right size and retapping it and so on. So anyway, that's, yeah, I can make hooks repeatable now, exactly the same size. So this is what I need. Blacksmith series, need a tool, make a tool. I know that's been coined before, but that really fits this well. So guys, today is, I don't even know, the 15th, I think, Saturday the 16th. God, time is flying. It's about 1 p.m. New York time. You guys enjoy your day, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.